हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, पिछले वीडियो में हमने लेटरल लाइन सिस्टम पढ़ा था, जो कि फिशेज को उनको पानी में रहने के लिए, करंट से, प्रेशर से बचाने के लिए लेटरल लाइन सिस्टम पाया जाता है। आज हम और अन्य स्पेशलाइज ऑर्गन्स पढ़ते हैं जो कि फिशेज में पाए जाते हैं। एज ए रिजल्ट, टू सस्टेन देमसेल्फ अगेंस्ट बेरिंग थ्रू एक्वेटिक हैबिटेट सेवरल एडेप्टिव स्ट्रक्चर्स इन फिशेज हैव बीन, मतलब इनको पानी में रहने के लिए कुछ स्पेशल ऑर्गन्स होते हैं जो आराम से ही पानी में रह सकते हैं। इवॉल्व टू मीट स्पेशल एनवायरमेंट बेस्ड रिक्वायरमेंट्स, द इम्पॉर्टेंट वंस डिस्क्राइब इन द चैप्टर लाइट प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गन, इलेक्ट्रिक ऑर्गन, साउंड प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गन एंड पॉइजन ऑर्गन। तो ये चार जो हैं इनके स्पेशल ऑर्गन्स पाए जाते हैं। लाइट प्रोड्यूसिंग में ये लाइट प्रोड्यूस करती हैं, इलेक्ट्रिक ऑर्गन्स में ये इलेक्ट्रिक रेज प्रोड्यूस करती हैं, साउंड प्रोड्यूसिंग में सुनने के ऑर्गन्स होते हैं, और पॉइजन ग्लैंड्स में पॉइजन उत्पन्न करती हैं। तो सबसे पहले हम पढ़ते हैं लाइट प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गन्स। लाइट प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गन्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ल्यूमिनस ऑर्गन्स। इनको हम ल्यूमिनस ऑर्गन्स भी कहते हैं। दीज ऑर्गन्स आर एडेप्टिव मॉडिफिकेशंस ऑफ स्किन विच सर्व टू एमिट लाइट इन द वाटर। तो ये जो है स्किन के मॉडिफिकेशंस हैं जो कि पानी के अंदर लाइट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं। वेयर द सनलाइट अराइजेस टू पेनिट्रेट। अब इनकी अक्रेंस कहाँ होती है? लाइट प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गन्स आर नॉट फाउंड इन फ्रेश वाटर फिशेज बट एक्सटेंसिवली फाउंड इन मैनी मीजोपेलेजिक एंड डीप सी फिशेज. A few coastal water fishes like Anomelops, Captoron and Photoblepharon, Palpebratus of East Indies and the Porichthes are also known to possess the light producing organs. तो ये कुछ फिश हैं जिनमें की लाइट प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गन्स पाए जाते हैं. अब नेचर ऑफ लाइट प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गन्स. लाइट प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गन्स इन फिशेज आर स्पेशलाइज्ड ग्लैंड्स cells of the epidermis and show considerable variations in their number and mode of distribution on the body. इनकी लोकेशन कहाँ पाई जाती है? Luminous organs usually occur along the lateral and ventral sides of the body and head. They may be arranged in one or two rows extending on the sides from head to tail, as in the Scopelus and Helasropsis, or they may be only present on certain limited area of the body. या इन ये चित्र में दिखाया गया है कि बॉडी में ये जो है फोटोरिसेप्टर्स पाए जाते हैं. गोल गोल जो बिंदु है ये फोटोरिसेप्टर्स कहलाते हैं. जो इसमें दिखा रखा ये सारे फोटोरिसेप्टर्स कहलाते हैं जो कि गोल गोल बिंदु के रूप में पाए जाते हैं. फोटोब्लेफरन. द फोटोफोर्स आर सब ऑर्बिटल इन फ्यू इंस्टांसेस एज इन ओपोस्टोमियस. The photophores are arranged in transverse bands on the body. Presence of luminous barbels in number. The chin have also been reported in macrostomes. Large photophores may also occur on the elongated first fin ridge of pectoral and dorsal fin, as in anglerfish. In the toadfish Porichthes, a very large number of photophores are present along the lateral line. अब इनका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. फिशेज विद ल्यूमिनेसेंट ऑर्गन्स आर वर्ल्ड वाइड इन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. ये सब जगह पाई जाती हैं. मेजोरिटी ऑफ देम आर बैथीपेलेजिक लिविंग एट द मीडियम डेप्थ, जो कि मीडियम डेप्थ में पाई जाती हैं, जो कि 500 से 2500 मीटर्स तक होती है. एंड समटाइम्स माइग्रेट टू द सरफेस एट नाइट. सम स्पीशीज आर फाउंड इन डीपर वाटर्स. इंपॉर्टेंट फैमिलीज ऑफ लाइट प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गन्स. तो लाइट प्रोड्यूसिंग ऑर्गन जिन फिशेज में पाई जाती हैं वो है एंगलर फिश ऑफ फैमिली शेरेटोडी, लैंटन फिशेज. थर्ड, लैंटन फिशेज ऑफ फैमिली मिक्टोफिडी. फोर्थ, हेलोसुरिड ईल्स ऑफ फैमिली होलोसुरिडी. 5, हैचेट फिशेज ऑफ फैमिली स्टर्नोपिक्टिडी. टोर फिशेज ऑफ फैमिली बट्राकोटिडी. 7, ईल पोट्स ऑफ फैमिली जॉर्सिडी. ब्रूटोलिस ऑफ फैमिली ब्रूटुलिडी. 9, एंगलर फिशेज ऑफ फैमिली लोफिडी. Few members of elasmobranchs, sharks, lice, spinax, Atmorpheres, Centipsolium and electric rays, Banthobats are also light producing organs. Now, categories of light producing organs. Luminescent organs in fishes are of two chief types. Some species are self-luminous, while in other light is producing by symbiotic bacteria. Self-luminous photophores are found in some elasmobranchs belonging to family Squilidae and Torpinidae, and in the teleos belonging to the families Stomatidae and Nyctophidae or Scopelidae. Light producing organs of the later type are found in a large number of species belonging to different families: Melecocephalus, Levis, Monocentris, Japonicus, Photoglypheron, Anomalopes, Lagiognathus, and the angler fishes. Structurally, these photophores consist of a large number of glandular tubules that secrete luminous bacteria. In Melecocephalus and Coleorhynchus, the gland opens through a duct on the ventral surface, a little in front of the anus. The gland is richly supplied with blood capillaries. In Photoglypheron and Anomalopes, elongated luminescent organ is located below each eye, having long parallel glandular tube with rich blood supply. The organs are having pores opening to the exterior at the anterior and a reflector layer at the hind end. These organs emit light for the long period due to bacterial luminescence. Hence, mechanical devices are developed to turn the light and off. The simple photophores consist of a series of radially arranged glandular tubules which receive branches from the adjoining cranial or spinal nerves. In more complex form, a reflecting layer and a lens-like structure are also developed. अब mechanism of light production from luminous. अब इसमें जो है light producing organs में light production कैसे होता है? The extract from the luminescent gland of several fishes like Apogon and Parapriacanthus consist of luciferin and luciferase enzyme. इनमें दो एंजाइम पाए जाते हैं जिन्हें luciferin and luciferase कहते हैं. When both combine produce light in presence recation like Na. तो ये दोनों जब मिलते हैं तो ये लाइट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. तो ये जो है 2LH2 plus O2, 2L plus 2H2 plus Hb, where L luciferin, Hb a photon. Luciferin is an indole derivative consisting of tryptamine, arginine and isoleucine. When mixed with the enzyme, is oxidized to oxyluciferin emitting light. The luminescence in fishes is generally blue or blue-green. However, it may be green or green-yellow or yellow or blue-white. Luciferin ये सेम tryptamine plus arginine plus isoleucine plus luciferase oxidized to oxyluciferin light to produce. इस प्रकार से इसका चेन इस केमिकल से हम समझा सकते हैं. ये इसका केमिकल फॉर्मूला है ल्यूसीफेरिन का. अब है रेगुलेशन ऑफ लाइट एमिशन इन फिशेज. द ल्यूमिनेसेंट ऑर्गन इन फिशेज आर अंडर डायरेक्ट कंट्रोल ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम and endocrine glands. Photophores are richly inverted in the luminescence is chiefly under nervous control. The transmitter substance may be the adrenaline or noradrenaline fishes. Mechanical regulation of emission is brought about by rotating luminous organs or by concealing the aperture by pulling over the pigmented sheath. Some stomatoid fishes, photostomias, are capable of rotating their luminescent organs downward by the contraction of a muscle, thus causing the bright surface to be concealed. Idicanthus have a different mechanism and is able to pull down a pigmented sheath in front of the light producing surface. Other structure of light producing organs in certain fishes. The luminous organ in the fish is located in rectal region and the cup-like, having its aperture directed outwards. It consists of a pigmented layer, refractory layer, glandular tissue and the lens as its chief components. The pigmented layer is innermost in position and prevents light from passing out of the chamber. The reflector is thick and shaped to reflect light towards the aperture of the photophores. The photogenic glandular cells are richly vascular and from lining of the cavity of the cup. The aperture to photophores is equipped with a lens made of a homogeneous mass of relatively smaller but highly refractive cells. अब है lantern fishes. Lantern fishes belonging to family Nyctophidae are known to possess photophores which are highly developed both in nocturnal and truly abyssal fishes. Photophores are small pearl-like beads is situated on each side of a series along the ventral and the lateral side of the body. They are also be present on mandible, operculum, above and below the eyes, and even dorsally in front of tall in myctophone. The phylogenetic part of photophores is represented by a small circular disc lying between two overlapping scales. The photophores are small pearl-like beads situated on each line in a series along the ventral and the lateral side of the body. They may also be present on mandible, opercular, below and eyes, and even dorsally in front of role and myctophone. The photogenic part of photophores is represented by a small circular disc lying between two overlapping scales. The lower scales is concave and covered by a silvery reflecting layer that is backed behind of a layer of pigments. The outer scale is flattened and becomes more or less transparent to represent the lens. Third है stenopyx. The stenopyx belonging to family Stenopyctidae possess more complicated photophores. It is heavily equipped with photophores having a ventral series of photophores on abdomen, lateral series in front of gill opening, a row on each side, and 3 above and 3 behind the base of the pectoral fin. So much. So another row of 3 photophores is located above the anal aperture. Each photophore consists of a dorsal chamber lined extremely with a pigmented layer and internally by a layer of glandular cells. Light producing in the dorsal chamber passes out through small holes equipped with filters into the tube-like projection of photophores. The tubes are also lined with reflecting layers made from the crystal of guanine, light emerging from the dorsal chamber. अब है elasmobranchs. Self-luminous organs restricted only to a few members of elasmobranchs, sharks and spinacs and electric rays. Benthobrats are common example. Certain fishes, rat tails and cirricids produce luminosity by producing extracellular luminous slime. अब biological significance of luminescence in fishes. First है the light emitted by the deep sea fishes enable the search their prey. तो अंधेरे में इनको जो है अपने शत्रु को पहचानने में सहायता मिलती है इन द डार्क वाटर्स. Thus the suborbital and cheek organs of fishes, the anomalopes, are useful as torches to illuminate the surrounding. Second, the illuminescent organs may be defensive in some species. The sudden flash or light may dazzle and confuse the enemy for a moment, enabling the fish to escape. Third, some fishes make use of their luminescent organs to attack the prey near the mouth. Fourth, it has been reported that luminescent in poric teeth serves as a warning signal for the predators. The fish possess a toxic spine and are avoided the predators. 5. The pattern of photophores on the fish body is also useful in recognizing individual of the same species. तो इस प्रकार ये स्पेशल कैरेक्टर कहलाते हैं जो कि फिशेज को वातावरण के अनुसार स्पेशल रूप में पाए जाते हैं. तो आज हमने फोटोफोर्स पढ़े, कल हम पढ़ेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक ऑर्गन. थैंक यू.